How to create your UK or international TikTok account in Nigeria for free without using VPN. With your Nigeria TikTok account, you can make money, but not as much as you'll be making from your UK, US, or your international TikTok account. So on this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can create your international TikTok account without using VPN, because there are two ways you can create an international TikTok account in Nigeria, which are with VPN and without VPN. And I come to realize that there are some people that are finding it very difficult to access that with their VPN. So on this video, I'll be breaking it step by step how you can create an international TikTok account here in Nigeria without VPN. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because if you do not watch it to the end, you will miss out a very big. With a Nigeria TikTok account, the only way you can make money from is from working with artists, going live for you to be gifted, going live for people to gift you, subscription, working with artists, and doing adverts for brands like companies. But with your UK or international TikTok account, you can make money from your videos, you can work with artists, you can go live and be gifting you. And again, the best international TikTok account for you to create is the UK, because the sweetest part of it is this: with UK international TikTok account, you will be earning in pounds, and convert £1 to naira. You know what I'm talking about, right? So the best one you can choose is the UK international TikTok account. So I'll be taking you step by step, and with your UK or international TikTok account, you can make money from your creativity beta program, which is if you have from 1,000 views and above and you meet all the criteria, you will be making money. Like, you will make money in pounds, not in dollar, not in naira. So what are the countries that are qualified for this creativity beta program? We have France, we have USA, we have Germany, we have Korea, we have the UK. I'll be putting them here one by one. So, but the best one you can create and you can rely on is the UK TikTok account. So, without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. You go to your TikTok app like this, you click on your profile, you look up, you see that three horizontal line at the top right corner of your TikTok app. You click on it to open. It will bring us on settings. You click on that settings privacy, allow it to open like this. You scroll down. You see where they say switch accounts. Click on it. You see where they say add accounts. Click on it. You look down. Sign up. Just look down. See where they say by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom, you agree to our terms of service. So my own is already on United Kingdom, but if you log into your Nigeria TikTok account, the location will be on Nigeria. You tap on it like this, allow it to open. Once it opens like this, then you click on this search bar and put United Kingdom. Put United Kingdom, then click on it. It will make your location, it will turn your location to United Kingdom. Then you click on continue with email. You click on continue with email. Click on that continue with email. Please make sure you've already created another Gmail account. Don't use your previous Gmail account, just use new Gmail account. Once it's open like this, you put your Gmail, you click on this then you click on this get trending content. You click on this get trending content, newsletters and so on so on. Then you click on that send code. They will send you code to your Gmail account. When you insert that your code that they send to you, they will now ask you to put your date of birth and some other things. Please make sure you put your correct date of birth. Make sure, because if you want to be on TikTok, it's from 18 years and above. So make sure you use your correct date of birth and password that you will remember later, and correct username, and that is it. So how will you know that you've successfully created an international TikTok account? Let's go back to confirm. You will back it or if possible swipe it out, or when the account is created just go back to your profile and tap on that three horizontal line up, then click on balance. So your balance will open like this. If e give you this GBP, is the same thing as pounds, okay? Is the same thing as pounds. So, or if e give you that pound sign, it is international TikTok account, it is UK TikTok account. Or if e give you this GBP, it is the UK TikTok account. This GBP means British pounds, okay? So if it is showing like this, so far it's not showing in dollar, naira, know that you've successfully created your UK TikTok account. And there's another way you can confirm again that it is a UK TikTok account. So you still go back and click on that three horizontal line on the top right corner. You click on it to open. Then you click on that TikTok studio. It will open and bring out the tools for you. So you see the video gifts, creator marketplace, subscribers, work with artists, live. You see, if you see this creator reward programs, which is creativity beta program before, you now change it to creator rewards program. If you see it, that means you successfully created your international TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to leave a comment on the comment section, like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you.